Endura here. It's quite a nice little car, but just a quick little video on how to set the cruise control. The cruise control is here on the side, and can you just show us the on-off button, how to turn your cruise on and off? It's right there at the top. And if you wanted to increase this, how about if you just want to set the speed, you turn the cruise on and have it go. Yeah, pressing plus or minus will do that. If you want to go up by 1 kilometre increments, just pressing the plus quickly or the minus quickly. And if you want to go up by tens, you press and hold. Most importantly, the picture of the car over there, you'll see the speed is beside it. That's the most important thing. Watching there, not the speed in the middle, but the little speed that's beside it. It's showing you what the indicated speed you're supposed to be doing is, and it's showing you what the cruise control set, that little one over there by the car. There you go, nice and straightforward.